Hey guys, welcome. We're on to the fourth unit on excretion. Kind of four main organs: liver, kidneys, skin, and lungs. I did a video on the liver as it applied to digestion. This is the excretion. The liver has so many functions. You got to kind of split them up into the category that they do them. We know that the liver is kind of shaped like a triangle. It's got a little ligament in the middle that splits it into two lobes. Blood goes to the liver from the hepatic artery, and there's kind of three main jobs in excretion. The first job is we call detoxification. Anything that goes into the body that potentially could be harmful, whether it's alcohol, drugs, over-the-counter drugs, air pollution, anything that gets into the body has to be physically broken down and chemically broken down. And then got rid of out of the body. The liver does that. Example, with alcohol, it breaks down alcohol about 1 ounce per hour. We know that the overuse of alcohol on a regular basis can lead to cirrhosis. And cirrhosis, the liver becomes very hardened and the blood does not flow through it good, and its capacity to do its work is not good. And you'll start to see people sort of getting yellow eyes, yellowish skin. That means those contaminants are in the body much longer and obviously can do more damage. The second part is excretion of bile, which we talked about in digestion. Helps with the emulsification of fat to speed up digestion, so the fat enzymes can do that. We recycle the bile, and in our poop, a lot of the coloring of our poop comes from the bile that's not recycled. Sort of gives it some sort of that brownish greenish color. And then lastly, we call formation of urea. We'll talk about urea a little bit more in the kidney unit, but when we eat protein, our body is not good at storing it. It breaks it down to amino acids, and you can use some of those amino acids right away for rebuilding tissue, but it's not great at hanging on to them. So kind of can do two things. One, can turn into fat, which happens, or some of it is broken down. And that breaking down of amino acids is called deamination of excess amino acids, which means more than we need, which forms urea. And urea is the product in our urine that gives it that sort of ammonia smell, the smell of urine or pee. Not a great smell. It's a waste product that is filtered out by the kidneys, and then eventually it's stored in the urinary bladder and then goes out of the body. Okay, so that's a quick bit on the liver. Don't be afraid to give me a call, 871-5509 if you need any help. Bye-bye.